Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find emoji settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and here as you see you will find emoji settings. Click on it, and now here you can manage your emoji settings as you want. You can upload emoji, and that's it. That's how to find emoji settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. For you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.